4th time doing open mic, so I'm pretty new to the whole Twitter thing, but Twitter friendly @Marine061. This other poem I also wrote today, so this is also new shit.
New shit? New shit?
Show y'all poem. It's called Let's Go Back to the Start. If only there was a moment in life you could go back to and have a chance to do it over. If only you could take all that you've learned from that point till now and go back and choose better for yourself. If only you could have understood how your actions would create reactions and be allowed to rethink and rework them. If only you could undo all that you've done to make everything more suitable or the way you feel it's meant to be now. If only life let you inconsequentially live it and then relive it with the knowledge and tools to be able to do it right the second time around. If only everything you do or don't wouldn't leave an imprint of some form on everyone else's life. If only I had another chance to do so many things over again, my circumstance would be so different, as well as the circumstances of so many others. Thank you.